when I hear these excuses, they are going to make a way in Linda Mwananchi, I totally disagree completely. There is no Nchiabakorosia. The only way you make a way, okay, is to make Matiang'i popular so that the other people can see that they cannot do without him. You cannot elevate Sifuna, one honestly with the politics, and you have said that before, is about perception. One again, in fact, even anybody, what people might be looking, running to Sifuna, not to Sifuna the other way, because you are elevating him. So, one thing you have to understand about politics, abana siasa aba mbali kogenda gwetaga ribose. The truth be told that abana siasa aba ngwaka nubari kogenda so supposedly sometimes while Matiang'i is not a politician, so being not a politician, to understand the thing, abantu abatali abagocha for free, abagocha so kuguru. So bueno, bacha bagwati Matiang'i batayike kama uteje ali chino no urure cheki asande nseme yemo uchire. They have to follow ngai bako nyore kweren. Ewe saritangen. Injebuna ndigeretie wono iga. Bona ga we ka tuanjira nga Matiang'i continue njira ga ndrete ngochire como vera com. Ngochire como vera com. One, Matiang'i Linda Mwananchi ta como coin. It's true. Yeah? You cannot have a running mate or a presidency and a running mate from the western side. So, never Sifuna tako Matiang'i tako presidential candidate, either Sifuna ngi running mate. Okay? That's never the other side. So, Matiang'i asa wana tako raini ya sero kwa runge akina Karonso na Mwabunyoro. Akaroko kwenye four. Okay? That is their lineup. If I will be, I know that the people might not accept this, but if I will, there are some missteps which deliberately, intentionally, or unknowingly, Matiang'i make it, which it still he has a time maybe he wants to recoup it. I have shared with some people that one of the worst decisions in his starting of the politics is going with the Jubilee. Today, Jubilee, my friend, there is nowhere, because the whole reason about Jubilee, it has network. Jubilee has got no network anywhere. Jubilee can only win in Gusii. Last, when Uhuru was the president, out of the 30, I think there are 30 members of parliament called Jubilee. Go find out, 28, go find out Mount Kenya, let's say Central, okay? Majority, you have actually 14 from Northeast, okay? Usi tokaru osemba bere nkaita tuwata usovere wasakatu. Tikono uwelenga
na West Mugirango.
Na West Mugirango. Ntabi ya ngomba lenga wabete kwa Mount Kenya. When he was in power. Bali maana inga kalata power. So he got the actually to me Jubilee ni geta ite Matiang'i abakonye elinde patinya ko beroro kubwa Jubilee bakonye Matiang'i. How does it disadvantage Matiang'i? Politics is very local, and he has come to realize that. And even with Jubilee, still he runs back to Gusii. Okay. In united opposition, Matiang'i akwenda kuna deputy party leader. That means that there is a deputy party leader. There is a party leader who make a decision. Ekarado na bari bande mo siwari party leader. Ekarado kuana wikawa arengere twizinga with that be the position you hold. Why are the disadvantages? When you look at the foreign, Matiang'i is more popular, maybe double or something, na Jubilee. So how does Jubilee help Matiang'i? Mm-hmm. So to me, I think that it is still not far away. If Matiang'i want to change, he should get his own party. Now, what the party? The party they have dissolve because there is nothing. You, for example, UPA, when would be seen as a abagusii. Today, if you talk and even in national politics, one okwane okweunga Matiang'i chikura jago siakolet. But then koletare chikura jago ikoyo. Yeah, so it makes no difference. What is now the way forward? If I were to be asked, Matiang'i is a very credible candidate, and I believe that he can lead the country. If the things we are seeing continues right now, yeah, Matiang'i his way to presidency could remain to go through Ruto. It's unfortunate, but that might be the route to the president 2032, not 2027. Okay? Abantu baminto bangire komokonya. Ondo bwensi okungaina nga abantu bakarega alinda Mwananchi nganga konya bali Matiang'i kenike bakamokonya. Naye kwa boli mukwa. Matiang'i abantu agotara na barabo embabo yonde Murara, who is a very good person, but Murara na barabo ko liwale na kwa so abagusii. Ogon tevinga Transoia, was it Transoia? What was so difficult? Abachumba abanonye babiri batatu bariko bagana bagende Nairobi area bamaye kuja kujoin Sifuna on Sunday. Was it that difficult? Yeah. So there is what we call credibility sometimes. Ekaro Murara kwana people know that Mairubiano is maker. Like in Ekaro Onyonga kwana people listen.
That's true.
Yeah? So when those people want to back on war, you got the songa back recommend. Okay? In Jega and Dondo Jenga, either they know what we don't know. Okay? Lakini, one, I told you influence yabesa. You mwana mindata ko maybe. Arengera tinga banda wa mindong kumbwati bari. Bago jo meri karere kusi. Ina erota ko kore kweren. Actually, I was very surprised that Carolina Mwananchi abagusii. I watched very carefully. Nkama go jo chananga. Abantu bari even baba talent bala Matiang'i. They have only 2 or 3 MPs. Na yaba chumba abantu bose beje. Aba chumba abantu bose benga ibagusii. So Matiang'i na wana ko turn back to the table. Okay? Tabu ati ndo kale bantu bali bakamute. Agende ngoraiga agende ukwana na kina usoro simbarati na abantu abanzi pe abatewe na ki iga ninka umuri weitera. Okay? Inungwe lambe kumugo ambarakini tago ita. No jene. Koma there is a way umuntu atago support lakini na rotari ko tago. Kwa leo. So ko humano muto ata tani go senkiteri gari kwa na ko rift para mundo ka gotenanga nimbo ba ko na go ya Ruto. Tari na bamu anjete lakini awada de gato kire go ndo okira. Ina to kwana ta ko ligera ditoro le kwerende jaina ara mauni na tebenga still na wanda ko ligera na kya ko constitute team yae asa ko answera Nearly, I know I have no. I'm not in a position to come advice, but now I'm going to change it. Another thing, comment I have.
Na ndo change
Kaya na kusi, yeah, yeah.
point na kwa time. Na ndo change.
Now I'm going to change it, but ati
Okay.
Jubilee ya kure, Jubilee tayo moyo, yeah. In fact, he has more influence. E pati ako nyara wa controlling abantu bona ananga bona ga kusi, kusi to ako tenga abantu mali ga just Jubilee bona ga. Koro kusi. To ko nyara e kaya Jubilee ba ko to nanga. It was, it has 7 million members. 7 million members iko bakanyora chapa chumbe watatu koro kwerende. Onye ndi to bwate party ya usi ananga bona ga. That's what this people was doing. Oh, we have got these members. We have got these numbers. So come on, this is a new party. Abantu abakineza bagocheza uri amatiani. One in 7 million. Abago tiana abako kwanga yoko manya bantu kya mentre ko chupiri. Ega ndo kyo moeri ko anjere taika yamu. Asa na to mega tie and I talked to somebody, but one of the things in Tuna including in Bukua, we have sidelined Maraga. I told somebody Maraga was going to be a key to Matiang'i, but people did not see that way. These other people, why is Sifuna more important? Because there is the Oparanyas, there is the Wetangula, there is Mudavadi. Okay? So we see inumo kama kwa mwana ki Marago to kumwaka makindi tomo tubute bona mtundu bwa Matiang'i. Bona omedenga na to batukuta ndonzi mungu ati alternative. If we could have had two competing candidates, and I bako taka ko chega no United bako cheganga Matiang'i to ko chegia abantu bali no bara ntuzi ko chonyala abantu bali ko genda bara Maraga. Wewe bona yo medenga usi imo kumelia na tsamwa genda bausi no bawasa
Matiang'i.
Anywhere osoroche there is competing. Oye toko. That is how politics goes. Yeah? I told people last 2022 general election, regardless of the way you go to Western, I speaker because UDA has proposed with Tangura, as me propose Orioka speaker. I don't know the name. Marende. That is an siasa bon. Ananga bono iga umuntu nagotenga for example even Ruto ananga gotenga Matiang'i ngo mwabare ibendera muinali na nje bono ndio ko counter Matiang'i osoro ngo kwatoro prime cabinet. That is what is called politics. Lakini karado ko genda to make that is why in Nyanza you don't need to worry about anybody. You only need to worry about Raila. Wako mojeza tu amangana ayiri. Na intu tu ataka kwa veke nseme. Ine eyende to wena ta kweligereria. Abantu ba mintu to support Muronge. So that they know we have an option. So that Linda what do we call this team? United opposition. But when look manga, baru Matiang'i, we have another option. That's when they can take him serious.
So, Matiang'i to be a president, forget Ruto.
That is the route indicated in Aseki. This is how I look at it in practical politics. Bono iga, Linda Mwananchi, na wera nyoya ya the plan in the house. Okay? Lakini, baro lenga bono, Sifuna otwalire usawishe nyingi. I am telling you, both na yana authentic kana kama. Linda Mwananchi na Matiang'i, the sponsor is the same. The sponsor actually ringa jawu kwa chitani. onyole ngagamu inaona nyole tan. How can a party etagende a presidential candidate ever go close here down some offices? Is it not when we are opening more offices? Eh? No, I'm asking. The other day, you really said, go cut the operations. How do you cut the operations when we are going in
On a level
because
comment, for instance.
because the sponsor seen as an added time one again in fact the back room negotiation neringa inga moko mo fix webule abachwaji babo nyonga bamanyire batumira mexwanga mate strike. Yeah? In fact, let me tell you here in this broadcast, there is no one smart politician that I respect, you know, Onyonka. Okay? Onyonka in 2027 next year, Onyonka ta kuburi mugabana. Tikakona kungaina abantu mokwanga, Onyonka kuburi kwa. Onyonka ta kimuriri, ta kuburi mugabana. Okay? Onyonka kuyana muri for senator, naenda support Simbarat. Kwa hivyo, oinero Onyonka, politics Onyonka, obu adikoru politics ya rega. Ako kaenda sekete, obogori sim kago jabono ochete boko negotiate kabata chingu dojeran kai ile yo ayo lakini ndole gandora